Hi everyone. Well, today I finally got my Missouri Star package. I think this is Missouri. Well, maybe let's look and see, where is it from? It doesn't say. It just says Amazon shipping. But I think that I've been getting emails indicating that they sent my package from Amazon. So let's see if that is what we did here. Crafting scissors. Let's open this up. Yes, I think so. Okay. No invoice. Wow. Sort of, usually you get 3 or 4 sheets of paper with an order. Well, we got the Chuck the Duck. Thank you, Missouri Star. It's a flat chuck, 2025. And there's a code on the back of it. I wonder what that's for. Oh, Missouri Star is trying to have 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Interesting, huh? A little Chuck the Duck. Well, what I was ordering, it was 2.5 weeks ago is when I ordered this. And I want to do the dinosaurs. Remember we talked about the dinosaurs for the 2-year-olds? Well, this is the pattern. And then the day that I ordered this, I noticed that this was on sale. Look at that beautiful thing. It's all purples and hydrangeas. It's gorgeous. So I ordered 1 layer cake and 1 yard. Is it 2 yard? 1 yard. 1 yard of this. Let's open it up and see it better closer. Oh, it's got a nice feel to it. Nice hand. Very lovely. Very lovely. I like that. And we may as well open this up. This is Hydrangea Grace from Robert Kaufman. It was one of those daily deals. And I'm gonna guess that it was it was between $20 and $25, because I try not to spend more than that. But these are beautiful big hydrangeas, and then purple roses. Oh, a lovely lavender. Ooh, a darker one. Oh, look at that delicate little green guy. And then the green background with the big hydrangeas. And then a green background that matches. Now we're looking at the blue, purpley blue roses with the green background. Now we're going to a beige background, and then it goes through the same sequence, I believe. The beige pansies. Oh, the beige, it looks like a brocade. It's really beautiful. And then beige background with big ones. Roses. Oh, now this one's different. This one is blue. Can you see that? Interesting. That's a little bit different. And again, it's like, gosh, would they just put a different idea together there? Well, now we're back to the blue roses on blue background. And the pansies. And then there's this big one here. that interesting? You know, you go from this very defined hydrangea to this more of an abstract. Let me get it out for you to look at. You see that okay? It looks more of an abstract rather than a defined. It's interesting how they've mixed those two together. And then a dark blue background. But my daughter-in-law loves purple. So I'm gonna come up with something to make for her. Her whole wedding was gorgeous purples. And it was just the most beautiful wedding, absolutely the most beautiful wedding. So that's gonna be a purple project, but this other bunch from in this package is from, yeah, there's no invoice or nothing. It's not folded up in there. Nope. But anyway, this is our dinosaur pattern, and this is what I'm going to get started on, because I have September, October, November, 3 months to get 2 of these done. So the small quilt is 48 by 48, and then I'm going to put on some substantial borders, and I think I've shown you those. So if you've never done an Elizabeth Hartman's pattern before, they are very detailed. I just love them. I made the farmhouse animals. See, it gives us a full rendition of what colors we need and how much if we want to do the rainbow effect. I'm not sure I'm going to do the rainbow effect because I'm only going to do the baby quilt size, which is that, just those animals. So I might do those just in, well, I don't know what I'm going to do them in yet. But we do know their border is going to have some orange and denim color, because remember we purchased those, and a burnt orange. A bright orange and a burnt orange. The bright orange is in that dinosaur print that we looked at, and the burnt orange is a yard of fabric that I got for this. So I have yet to lay it all out and decide what I'm going to do first. This is going to be so much fun. Look at the requirements for that guy. A whole page, whole column of requirements. Oh man. But she gives you really good directions. And it's just a lot of little detailed cutting. Oh, those are so cute. Yep, we're gonna get that started. Probably get started on that tomorrow. Okay, well, nice talking with you, and we'll talk again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.